I think I improved my self-confidence skill.
They're here in a 2-week project, not only practicing their English, but also learning business strategies.
The program lets you open your awareness of the marketing that is surrounding the demographics. It lets you know a lot more about business itself, but also business in Canada.
And we get to know each other, and we had like a lot of ideas, and every day we change of idea for the business, and then we get with the actual idea. So it was really nice to be here.
Being in a room with a teacher who has a lot of experience, not only in the theory part, not only as a teacher, but in a business part, it's very good because every time that I need something, she was there to talk to me about what are my doubts, what can I improve, and which are the main areas that I have to do better.
And now I'm able to make choice in each group. I will use the leadership style because they are overlapping all the time. With this course, it's clear now for me these skills, and it's very useful for my work life.
Now I understand what Canadian business, and I can compare it with Canadian business and like Asian business.